Here's a step-by-step tutorial to fix mobile network coverage problems, especially in remote areas where there is no GSM/4G signal, resulting in no real-time updates, common with GPS trackers, remote devices, or mobile apps. Step-by-step fix: mobile network coverage problems, GSM/4G. Step 1. Verify the issue. Confirm that the device truly lacks signal, for example, no bars or no service. Check if real-time updates or data sync are failing specifically due to a mobile signal. Confirm it's not a SIM card, hardware, or configuration issue. Step 2. Check SIM card and APN settings. Reseat or replace the SIM card to rule out a faulty connection. Make sure the SIM is active and has data allowance. Set correct APN settings for the SIM's network provider. Go to Settings, Mobile Network. Access point names. Ensure APN, MCC, and MNC match the carrier requirements. Step 3. Force manual network selection. Go to Settings, Network and Internet. Mobile Network. Network operators choose manual, then try connecting to the available networks. If none are available, you're out of coverage. Step 4. Enable roaming if using out-of-region SIM in Settings. Mobile Network, turn data roaming on if you're using a roaming SIM that supports other local networks. Step 5. Install an external antenna if hardware allows. Some GPS trackers, routers, or rugged devices allow external antennas. Install a high-gain GSM/4G antenna to boost weak signals. Use directional antennas to aim at the nearest cell tower. Step 6. Use a GSM/4G signal booster repeater. Install a signal booster kit with outdoor antenna placed on roof or pole. Signal amplifier, indoor antenna. Ensure it's carrier approved and legal in your country. Step 7. Switch to multi-network SIM or LPWAN, IoT devices. Use M2M/multi-network SIMs that auto-switch between carriers. Consider using LPWAN technologies, for example NB-IoT LoRa, for low-data GPS or IoT needs in remote areas. Step 8. Switch to offline mode plus periodic sync, if no fix is possible. For GPS trackers and mobile apps, use offline logging mode to record data. Auto-upload/sync data when a signal is restored. Step 9. Check with carrier coverage maps. Use the carrier's coverage map to confirm if the area is outside GSM/4G reach. Sometimes the area is claimed as covered, but real-world terrain blocks the signal. Mountains, valleys, buildings. Step 10. Log and report the issue. Report to the mobile provider if there was previously a signal in the area. You're experiencing a sudden loss of service. Request a site survey or tower upgrade for businesses or critical needs. Pro tips: reboot the device after every configuration change. Test with different network SIMs, Vodafone, Spark, etc. Ensure the device has sufficient battery or power. Poor voltage can affect modem performance. Let me know if this is for a specific device type, like a GPS tracker, rugged phone, or wireless router, and I can tailor the steps further.